What's up, everyone? Brad here. How you doing? On my left. She made it. It's day one of Songkran, big Thai New Year festival. Big water fights, lots of water fights, all the water. Lots of cleansing, lots of rinsing. If you're still dry at the end of the day, you're doing it wrong, mate. Get 2 trains. We're heading down to Silom Road. Time to get wet.
Lots of guns. We have the heavy duty ones for 900. And then we got Dory and Nemo down the road.
Kitty!
Premium price.
We shoot everyone in the thing.
Okay, yeah. So what'd you buy?
I bought just the minigun because tomorrow we're getting the big size queen guns. Look out, cops. Don't squirt the cops unless they're squirting you. Squirt, squirt, dump. Someone. Refill.
Refill?
I'm empty. Oh no, hang on. I still got a little bit left. Oh, that's cold.
Yeah.
ขอบคุณมากครับ10 บาทครับ10 บาทขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับขอบคุณมากครับขอบคุณค่ะ They get you when you're reloading. Mother bitches! I'm targeted this time.